Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best reverse folding umbrella is probably one of the most convenient and practical inventions for rainy days, offering a unique design that solves the common frustrations of traditional umbrellas. Its ingenious reverse folding mechanism allows you to easily enter and exit vehicles or crowded spaces without dripping water everywhere, keeping your car and home dry. This innovative design also keeps the wet fabric on the inside, preventing you from getting wet clothes and spreading water around. In this video, we will explore the best reverse folding umbrellas on the market, comparing their features, durability, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. Repel Umbrella Travel Umbrella. This is the Repel Travel Umbrella, your perfect companion for any weather. It's designed for durability and convenience, making it ideal for everyday use or travel. It features a strong fiberglass frame that can withstand even the strongest winds. Say goodbye to umbrellas turning inside out. Opening and closing it is effortless thanks to the automatic open and close function. One touch is all it takes. Its compact design makes it easy to fit into your backpack, purse, or briefcase. Take it anywhere with you. It's made from high-quality, waterproof materials to keep you dry in any downpour. You'll be protected from the elements, no matter what. Whether you're heading to the office, traveling abroad, or just running errands, this umbrella is the perfect choice. It's reliable and ready when you need it. What we like. It's sturdy, conveniently sized, and opens and closes effortlessly. If you need a reliable everyday umbrella that's easy to carry, this is a great option for you. Its compact design makes it perfect for slipping into your bag, and the automatic function is a real time saver, especially on busy days. What people say. Strong, easy to open, takes a good strong push from the top to retract, the sign of a good spring. Strong material between the ribs. So far, the ribs seem stronger than any other I've tried. The Repel and Amazon are very similar, both auto-open, both vented designs which theoretically makes them less likely to invert in strong gusts. The Repel 9-rib design was noticeably sturdier than the 8-rib Amazon. It's a very sturdy travel umbrella, it folds to be quite compact, and opens and closes with a button press. Number 4. Repel Travel Umbrella. This is the Repel Travel Umbrella, your perfect companion for any weather. It's designed for easy use and superior protection from the elements. It features a strong fiberglass frame that can withstand even the strongest winds. Say goodbye to umbrellas turning inside out. Opening and closing it is effortless thanks to the automatic open and close mechanism. One-handed operation makes it incredibly convenient. It's built to last with a durable canopy and compact design, making it ideal for travel. It easily fits in your backpack or purse. The waterproof canopy keeps you completely dry, no matter how heavy the rain. Stay protected and comfortable in any downpour. Its lightweight and portable design makes it the perfect travel companion. Take it anywhere, and always be prepared for unexpected rain. What we like. It's sturdy, conveniently sized, and opens and closes effortlessly. If you need a reliable everyday umbrella that's easy to carry, this is a great option for you. Its compact design makes it perfect for slipping into your bag, and the automatic function is a real time saver, especially on busy days. What people say. Strong, easy to open, takes a good strong push from the top to retract, the sign of a good spring. Strong material between the ribs. So far, the ribs seem stronger than any other I've tried. The Repel and Amazon are very similar, both auto-open, both vented designs which theoretically makes them less likely to invert in strong gusts. The Repel 9-rib design was noticeably sturdier than the 8-rib Amazon. It's a very sturdy travel umbrella, it folds to be quite compact, and opens and closes with a button press. Number 3. SIEPASA Reverse Umbrella. It has a unique double-layer design. The wet layer folds into the dry layer, keeping you and your car dry. This umbrella features a comfortable, frosted C-shaped handle. Keep your hands free while holding other things. With 8 strong ribs, it stands up on its own when closed. No more struggling to find a place to put it. Open and close it easily with a simple button. It's safer and more convenient, especially in crowds. It's a thoughtful gift for anyone. We offer a free replacement if there are any problems with it. This umbrella protects you from rain, wind, and even UV rays. Stay dry and comfortable in any weather. What we like. Its unique design keeps you dry and your hands free. If you're looking for an umbrella that's both practical and stylish, and you appreciate thoughtful design, this is the one for you. The double canopy prevents dripping, and the C-shaped handle lets you multitask in the rain. What people say. It's big, but that helps it offer much bigger protection than pocket umbrellas. No getting wet. It slims down nicely. Long but thin. Easy to keep. It is totally wind resistant. Where others break, this trooper survives. Even if it goes back. It's all good. No others do that. Number 2. Tumella's strongest windproof travel umbrella. This is the umbrella that will keep you dry, no matter the weather. It's compact, lightweight, and strong enough to withstand even the strongest winds. It boasts a premium grip for comfortable handling and a durable build that will last for years. You'll appreciate its superior quality. Small enough to fit in your car or backpack, it's the perfect travel companion. Take it anywhere with ease. Opening and closing is effortless and automatic. Just one touch and you're ready for anything. It's designed to withstand even the strongest gusts of wind. Stay protected, no matter the conditions. This umbrella combines strength, portability, and style. It's the ultimate solution for your rainy day needs. What we like. It's tough, small, and opens automatically. If you prioritize strength and convenience, this is the umbrella for you. Its robust build withstands strong winds, and the automatic opening is perfect for when you're caught in a downpour. What people say. Very durable, UV protection, beautiful design, is stable in high winds, has a great carrying bag, excellent open and close mechanism that doesn't jam. This umbrella is compact, has push-button open and close, and is very sturdy. It flipped inside out multiple times and tolerated it well, plus it looks cool. Number 1. LANBRELLA Compact Reverse Folding Umbrella. It's shorter and easier to carry, perfect for travel and everyday use. You can conveniently store it anywhere. This umbrella's inside-out design keeps the wet side in, preventing drips and keeping you dry. No more wet floors or mats. It's strong enough to withstand powerful winds without turning inside out, thanks to its reinforced fiberglass ribs and high-density waterproof canopy. It's the perfect size, too. This lightweight design is easy to store in your car, bag, or backpack. It's ideal for travel, business, or any outdoor activity. Open and close it automatically in a second with the push of a button. No more fumbling in the rain. We offer a 100-day money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied, simply return it for a full refund. What we like. It opens and closes automatically, is compact, and stands up to windy conditions. If you value speed and convenience, and need something that can handle a bit of wind, this is an excellent choice. The automatic function is a lifesaver when your hands are full. What people say. Excellent construction, works great and I love the fun colors available. Very convenient when getting into my car and it helps not to get water everywhere. The umbrella is a well-designed automatic umbrella. I have tested its opening and closing feature over and over and am completely satisfied with the workmanship. It's small, easy to operate and is supported with a warranty. Great umbrella, easy open and close with just push of a button. I love that I don't get wet when I go to close it and it is a very nice size and provides good coverage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.